All right, guys, this is your girl, Queen Beauty _ Sliding, and you are at the Banana Boat. We're located in Florida, Boynton Beach, Florida. I don't want to get the people, but look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. I mean, it's magnificent here. I'm literally sitting on an Intercoastal, and I think my go-to, what I'm going to actually order today, let's see what we got going on. I actually came here because I want to try their Bahamian conch chowder. I want to see how this Bahamian conch chowder is, and guess what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna also try a slice of this key lime pie, because what I'm gonna do is we're gonna have us some homemade key lime pie. So give me a second. We'll see how it tastes when the soup actually comes out. This is our bowl of Bahamian conch chowder. I got to see if I can whip this ingredients up on my own. Let's see what we can do. Seems like a competition to me, everybody. And this is a bowl. Alright, here we go. We're going to taste a little bit of this key lime pie. Looks good, looks good. Let's turn it around. I guess I have to find a way to imitate this entire look, huh? Okay. This key lime pie is brought to you from the Banana Boat, located in Boynton Beach, Florida. Right here off the Intercoastal. You see everything. Beautiful view on this nice cloudy day. Oh, we gotta pass it by here. Let's get back to this key lime pie. Moist. Not bad. Okay, it's firm. Not bad. All right, here we go. We're finishing up with this good key lime pie. It was actually very good. The only thing I felt like it was kind of missing, could have had just a tap more of the lime. Other than that, it was very good. I want to see whether or not I can emulate this key lime pie and how good and succulent it was. I kind of like the little cherry dip that was on it. It was actually very, very, very good. Again, my only complaint, and it wasn't really a complaint, I would have loved to have just a little bit more of the lime flavor. Other than that, very, very, very good. So, okay, kings, queens, all y'all, we're going to do this again. Wait till your girl go emulate it. We got one more place we're going to compare it to. Then we're going to take it to Cooking with the Queen. We'll bring it in our kitchen and see who wins the best. Talk to you soon. All right, so now we're leaving our favorite spot. This is the Banana Boat. Isn't this beautiful? It's such a good view. That key lime pie was actually pretty good. That Bahamian conch chowder, that was even better. So we're gonna see what we can kind of emulate. Let's take this walk all the way back to our favorite place, the car. It's a rainy day. Wasn't bad for some key lime pie, some Bahamian conch chowder.